Hi guys, welcome to Quick channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solder a copper pipe. To do so, first step, you need to clean the joints. See, you can use sandpaper to clean, or you can use a kitchen pad. Okay, they both do the same work. Do you have questions?
What is that for?
This will show the people who want to improve their skills. Also, they want to save some money. See, it's shining, it's bright shining by kitchen pad. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you. And don't forget to clean this. Do you need to clean both sides?
No.
Yes, you need to clean this too.
But you said both sides.
Yeah, both sides, and this side and this side. It's called both sides.
Okay.
Male and female. And then you put a flux. Okay? Do you know what is flux?
No.
Oh, flux is a material to clean the joints and make your solder easier. You know?
Okay.
You put both sides too. Not too much. If you put too much, oh, probably you will leak. I don't know. Now you are ready to solder. To do so, you need a torch. You can buy it in any renovation center like Rona, Home Depot, Reno Depot. Now I'm going to make some fire. You need this too. If you don't have this, you can use a lighter instead of this. Okay, I open it. You want to adjust the fire. This is not enough. This will be good. You want to keep a distance about 1 inch, okay, to the place where you're going to solder. You turn it around, and then you try the wire. Now it's not ready. It will suck the wire inside itself, you know. Now it's ready. You see? You don't want to put too much because it's a waste. It's going to pull in outside, you know. Then you wait a little bit to cool it down. You take a rag to clean the extra outside to make it beautiful, you know. Any questions?
No.
Did I do a good job?
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye.